Hello again, YouTubers. Today's videos is going to be two videos actually today. The first one will be installing memory on this motherboard. The second one we're going to be actually doing installation of a CPU. This is an old board that we're doing nothing with, so I figured it would be good just to illustrate what I want to do. Now for memory, before we show the install, very important. Make sure before you do a memory upgrade in your system that you install RAM that is compatible with your system. I recommend you consult your motherboard manufacturer. Don't talk to Joe Blow's computer repair or hardware shop or anything online. Consult your motherboard manufacturer. They will know what's compatible with their system, so that you can get the right thing. There's a lot of different things to consider. Voltage it operates at, the cache latency, the speed, the particular technology the board uses. This is just an old ASUS board. It uses DDR RAM, and today we're going to show the installation. Now, this particular board, it's probably, I think we're zoomed in close enough where you guys can see. The memory modules are actually only going to be able to be installed one way on this board, because in the actual socket right about here is a little notch that's not positioned in the middle. It's positioned closer to one end than it is the other, so the memory module can only go in one way, which is going to make this easy. Now, motherboard manufacturer actually recommends that you use one socket of each color when installing memory modules, just two of them, for the best performance. So, that being said, now we're going to install the RAM. As you can see, it only goes in one way. Support your board while you're doing this to avoid any flex or damage to the components, just like the edge, just the way you would handle a CD or an old vinyl record. You heard both retainers lock. That memory module is in place and it is going nowhere. Now, same thing applies for this one. Support your board on the edge. Both retainers locked. Memory is installed. This project is complete and is a success. I hope you've learned something from watching this video. I thank you for watching this video. Feel free to tune into my channel for computer videos anytime.